years of doing photography and videography, especially as a business, there are a few skills I picked up and also think are valuable to learn. So here is a list of a few that I think you should definitely look into right away. Now, first and foremost is communication skills. Whether you are doing this as the main person who has to deal with all the business stuff, or whether you are just on set or you are at an event, you need to communicate with people and you need to be able to articulate certain things. You need to be able to communicate nicely and just learn how to go through any situation. So what I mean by that is, let's say you are directing people so to get into a group photo. You need to learn how to make that work properly so that they are doing it and they're doing it to what you say, but also so you're doing it and not bossing people around. You can't say like, move there, do this, do that. You gotta be like, hey, can you move here? Can you just move a little bit more, stuff like that. People are gonna pick up on that and it's automatically gonna translate to how they treat you as well. Let's say you're also doing a conversation with someone and you're just on the side somewhere and they're talking about something interesting. Learning how to talk to them, even just their body language, things like that are extremely valuable because that shows how well you can talk to people and it gives you a personality. It gives you something that someone might want to talk to further. You never know where people are going to end up and you never know if someone can just hit you up way down the road and have some great opportunity for you. So always treat everyone with respect and always communicate well with them because that can lead to so much more in the long run. Another major one is content creation. In the day and age now that we are in, we have to content create a lot, especially if you're doing it as a business, especially if you are just able to make something. Doesn't have to be the most clean stuff. I myself, I'm still learning as I make this stuff. No one's gonna be fully educated on getting the most pristine, the best stuff. But the fact is, you all have different experiences that you can tell. I will have a different experience than you doing a similar wedding or doing even the same wedding. So content creation involves different perspectives. It involves learning valuable content. It involves a lot more. And it's actually extremely valuable to show to other people because it is just something that can help elevate your social media, elevate even your business a lot more. Think of it this way. How did Tony Elsie Sign, whether this is people watching now in the current or way in the future, how did he become so famous? At least the way I found out is because of all these TikToks, all these content he was posting. So content creation is extremely valuable and it can play a big role in creating a massive amount of stuff for you. And one of the last big ones I'm going to talk about is sales/persuasion. If you're doing this as a business, like I mentioned before, one of the most crucial things is obviously communicating, but also then convincing someone to invest in you, whether it's with money, whether it's their time, whether it's just something else that is important to them. If you can do that, you are going to achieve, whether it's photo and video or even just something else. It's a very transferable skill, and especially sales and persuasion, it helps just make things a lot easier for you. So another example, think about it this way. If you are able to talk to someone and learn about the problem that they have, and you are able to fix that problem with the service that you're providing or the product you're providing, you automatically have that sale. That is persuading them to go buy something. It is persuading them to invest in you because they believe in you. And as someone who has done that many, many times with couples for weddings or a corporate client or just a business who wants photos done, you need to sell your services. You need to sell them and really help them get what they want, but also to achieve something that is comfortable for you. Prime example is when some wedding clients actually hit me up, they're like, oh, can we get this thing slightly different? Like, more of a long video or, more photos. If it's not too much hassle, then yeah, it's okay. But if it's something where it's going to make it go really crazy and you're going to have to put a lot more effort, then you have to translate that to them. And if you go with the other points I was making about communication and learning how to talk to people, you can say no to something very nicely and people are still going to accept it compared to just flat out saying no or being a little bit more stern about it. So all the skills I mentioned in this video are very helpful and they all kind of work with each other. And they are just going to be useful for so many different things. It doesn't apply just to photo and video. It applies to so many things in life and just so many different things that will help you in the long run. And personally speaking, as many of you seen on the videos I've made, or even if I talk about some of the stories, etc., these skills have helped me so much. Just even as a personal thing, it's helped me just get my way sometimes, even if it's something that's a little bit, outside the rules or something like that. Nothing illegal, by the way, but you know what I mean? Like something that is technically not going to be allowed by like the business or something like that. Like there's different things where it is advantageous to have these skills in your back pocket for whatever reason. So that being said, I really hope you enjoyed this video, got some value. I'm truly thankful that each and every of you watched this video. I really hope it gave you some value and it was a good use of your time. And if you want to see more content like this, be sure to look at this video over here or check out the channel right over here. If you want to hit me up on social media or just any ideas that you might have, I'm available here, or it'll be here somewhere on screen. You'll find it. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you see you next video. Peace.